Today we will gonna study about primary auxiliary verb. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Ojha. Welcome to Nigzigi Pathshala. This is the second part of primary auxiliary verb. If you haven't watched the first part, the link is in the description. Make sure to watch the first part before this one. Thank you. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Has, have, had and had. This is the first form, has and have. Its second form is had because we use it in second for past tense. Our third verb is also had. So these are the forms of first, second and third verb. By have is used for the first person. I have a pen, you have a pen. So for second person, okay, they have into this place. So third plural. And has is used for the third singular. In past also it will change into had. Suppose if I say I had a pen, they had a pen. Okay, so here the forms are changing but its function is not changing. In all these different forms, have can be used for both main verb and as a helping verb. Okay, so our last one is be. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. First word will be. Be, are, is, am. The second will be was and were. And the third will be been. In the first form, if I say I am listening to a song. Okay, and I'm a doctor. So I've used am in both the sentences. I am listening to a song and I am a doctor. As you can see here, am is used as a helping verb and this is the main verb. But here, am is the main verb. If I will not use listening, the sentence will not get complete. I am dash to a song. What? I am listening to a song. So here, listening is the main verb. But here, I am a doctor. In this, am is the main verb. I hope you guys understand. This is the first form of be. You can also use be. Suppose, will you be my partner? Will you be my coach? Anything. Okay, so this is the first form. And here, be is used as a main verb. If I say, I was in London. I was playing badminton. As you can see here also I have used was in these two sentences, but here you can see that there is a big difference. I was in London. Here was is used as a main verb. And I was playing badminton. Here was is used as a helping verb. And this is the main verb. So you can see that how the verb changes in different sentences. In one place it is used as a helping verb and in another place it is used as a main verb. And I hope you will understand its difference, what is main verb and what is helping verb. I have been to London means this is perfect continuous tense, simple perfect continuous tense, where something that I was doing that was going continuous, but right now I just have stopped. Okay, in present, so it is in present tense. And here been is used as a main verb. I have been playing since morning. Here you can see that playing is the main verb, not the been. And here I have been to London. Here been is used as a main verb. Okay, I hope you understand the difference. I hope you will use these verbs and make your sentences. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys understood what is Be, do and have. These are primary auxiliary verb that we can use it sometime as a main verb and sometime as a helping verb. Okay, so I hope you understand. If anybody still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.